Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the side sliding door wiring harness. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 all the way up to 2020. Now this is a very common issue on these Dodge Grand Caravans. This is the harness I'm talking about, so it's going from the sliding doors all the way down through here and into this side piece. So like you can see here, my harness is completely broken. Bunch of wires are broken as well, and as a result I have the airbag light on because there is a sensor just down here in the side door, and there is no power working on these doors, so power windows do not work, and the bottom light doesn't work either. And this is the new piece I've got. It's not actually new, I got it from salvage, but there is supposed to be this protective plastic piece, and inside that piece there are wires. Before I start working and taking everything apart, I will show you how this is supposed to look on the other side, which is not damaged. Okay, so this is the other side. This is how this wiring harness is supposed to look. So how you open and close the door, there is this kind of a chain which holds the wires inside. Yeah, that's the idea, and I will try to do that on the other side and fix it. Okay, so to start removing the old harness, first thing you want to do is disconnect it from the sliding doors. Now there will be one connector just down here, you can see it. Yours is gonna be actually in this position, like hooked up to the door like this. Mine is pulled out already, but that doesn't make any difference. So what you want to do, you want to disconnect this connector. Is gonna have like a small safety pin right here. So what you want to do, you want to push this out with a flat screwdriver and then just press on this clip and disconnect it. Okay, so I will try to zoom in a bit and show you what exactly I did. So I pulled that safety pin out. You see, you don't have to pull it all the way, just push it with your flat screwdriver just a bit, so it releases, and then you'll have a clip down here. You just want to press on that clip and disconnect this connector. Once you've done that, you'll want to pry this cable out from this metal bracket. It's held by two plastic fasteners, one here and one there in the back. So you can use your pliers or a flat screwdriver, whichever is easier. So what you want to do, you just want to grab it underneath and just pretty much pull it out. This is how it looks, nothing major. If you can't pull it out, you can just cut it also from underneath with a knife, or just cut it with your pliers. Once that is done, you should have this side completely out. Now in your case, if yours is not as damaged as mine, you would just have to remove it here and pull it out. In my case, it's all tangled around this metal bracket and things like that. So what I'll have to do, I'll just have to cut these wires, and then I'll continue this video. Next thing to do would be to disconnect one connection which is down here. So what you can do, you can remove this rubber piece actually to get more access to the connection, and then you will have like a small clip right here which you have to press and pull this wire out. Now I won't be able to zoom it in enough because it's a tight space for my hand, but I will actually show you on the replacement harness. This is the one that you have to disconnect. So pretty much there is a clip which you have to press right here and just pull the cable out. Okay, and once this is done, this complete piece will go out up to here, and here you will have one more that plastic clip which you just have to pretty much pry out with a flat screwdriver or with your pliers, whichever is easier for you. Okay, now these wires goes into this sidewall, and I will show you how to access it and unplug the other side. First thing to do is to move the driver's seat all the way up to the front. Moving the seat will give you much more space to work around this area. And now the first thing to do, you want to pop out this plastic side step. You can do it using your flat screwdriver just to pretty much pry it out, or you can try doing it with your hand. Just pretty much you have to pry it straight up. Once done, you will want to remove the 12mm nut which is located right here, and which is holding this black plastic piece which actually extends onto the driver door into the side step. So this complete piece will have to be removed. Once you have removed it, you'll want to come to the front driver door. You want to also pop out this plastic piece. You can do it again using the flat screwdriver, the pry tool, or just with your hands if you can. So you just want to lift it straight up. There's just a couple of plastic holders. So get this piece off the way, and now you should be able to have enough space to actually remove this trim panel. But what you want to do first, you want to remove this this rubber piece all the way maybe up to here, and you'll also want to do it on the rear door as well. So just remove this rubber all the way. And now you should be able just to pry this piece off, just like that. And now this is your connection right here which you need. So if you follow this this cable, these wires, it's gonna come right here. So there is a red safety clip again which you want to release with your flat screwdriver, and then there is the clip to press right here and to disconnect it. So I will try to record this time how I disconnect it. So like I said, just by using your flat screwdriver you wanna pry this safety clip down just like I did, and now you just want to press onto this black clip and pull these wires out. And there is one more plastic fastener also still holding this cable right here, but you can just pull it out, and that's it. This is how you remove the old wiring harness. So when you are installing the new wiring harness, just plug it in here, let it drop down here, and plug this sensor back in, and plug the other side of the wiring harness to the sliding door. There is really no need to continue this video and show you how I am installing the new harness. It's pretty obvious. Just follow all the steps you did it to remove it, just vice versa, and that's gonna do it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.